Hello YouTube, Chris with CALIZONA Outdoors, back with another episode of Canteen Cup Tuesday. Today we're going to go a little bit different of a route. We're going to have a breakfast edition. So what we got today is some roast beef hash, and I've brought along 2 eggs. Nice and simple breakfast. So give me a moment, we'll get set up. Okay, so we're all set up, so let's get cooking. Today we're using the Northwest Territory burner along with a little propane, so you can say we're now cooking with gas. Let's go ahead and get this lit. And there we go. Let's get our canteen cup on. Go ahead and get our roast beef hash in. So that's cooking right away. And with this dish, it's already cooked, so we pretty much just gotta crisp it up a little bit and brown it to our liking. A little bit of ground pepper. Get that mixed in. I'm going to top this off with eggs, so whatever I'm going to do to the hash, I got to do now. So I'm going to go ahead and add some sriracha sauce. I stir this pretty often. It'll stick pretty easily to the canteen cup there. It'll be a pain to get out. Later, it's hard to keep this canteen cup so shiny, you know. Takes a lot of scrubbing. So we'll go ahead and let this heat for a moment, and we'll be back when we're ready to add the next ingredient. Alright, so it looks like that's heating up nice. Not sticking too bad, so we're in good shape there. I'm going to go ahead and add our next ingredient, which is 2 eggs. I'm I'm going to turn this heat down quite a bit. And next is just 2 eggs. Right on top. I'm going to add some sriracha. And some fresh ground pepper. And cover it. Well, let's give you a look first. So we're going to go ahead and cover that up. Let it do its thing. And I like it about over easy, so we'll see how it turns out. I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so it's been about 7 minutes. Let's take a look, see what we got. Oh yeah, looks nice. Give you a look there. Some roast beef hash and eggs. So, nothing less to do but enjoy. So that's what it looks like. The eggs are cooked to over medium, probably. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in. A little more salt and a little more pepper rather. And last but not least, a little more sriracha. Okay, so this is roast beef, hash, and egg. See how it turned out. Still nice and hot. Yep, that's really good. And it's amazing what you can do in a canteen cup. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, this is Chris with CALIZONA Outdoors. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to enjoy my meal.